Alright guys, so today we are going to discuss about adding hundreds of keywords in a single campaign results in getting only few keyword impressions, rest don't get it. Why? So basically मुझे ये question बहुत बार आता है. So because I recommend a lot of people to add a lot of keywords in one campaign. ठीक है, मैं काफ़ी लोगों को बताता हूँ जितने सारे आपके कीवर्ड्स आप सिंगल कैंपेन में डाल के सिंगल एड ग्रुप में रन कर सकते हो. So there are a lot of people who are telling me that if I put 100 keywords, अगर मैं 100 कीवर्ड एक ही कैंपेन में डालूंगा तो Amazon सिर्फ कुछ कीवर्ड्स को ही इंप्रेशन देता है, बाकी लोग का इंप्रेशन नहीं आता है. बाकी कीवर्ड्स पे हमें इंप्रेशन नहीं आता है. व्हाट टू डू? सो नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट Amazon is going to send or going to spend, okay, spend more money towards towards high volume keywords. Okay, high volume keywords. So if you are putting all the keywords which has a good volume, like for example, let's say if you're selling a football which has a very good, like बहुत लोग उसको सर्च कर रहे हो कीवर्ड को. सो ऑब्वियसली अगर वो बहुत आप उस पर ऐड रन कर रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम्स है, तो डेफिनेटली आपके कीवर्ड्स का स्पेंड ज़्यादा होगा. So Amazon is always going to spend more money on high volume keywords and will spend less money on low volume keywords. Okay, low volume keywords. So a lot of times when you don't get impressions on rest of the keywords, then there are two problems. Okay, I'm going to show you two problems. Two problems. Number one, okay. Number one is maybe you you are going out of budget. Okay, let's say अगर आपने एक कैंपेन बनाया है और उसका the spend is $1,000. Okay, the the daily budget. Okay, two problems. Number one, maybe you are doing going out of budget. So let's say if you have one campaign and uh, the budget is of that campaign is, let's say, 200 rupees or 300 rupees, and you have put more than 100 keywords. Okay, now you have to imagine अगर आपने 100 keywords डाला है and आपका budget सिर्फ 200 है, so you are 100, 200 is your rupees is budget and 100 keywords आपने डाला है, 100 keywords. Okay, 100 keywords. You have to understand you are only giving one rupees, right? 1 rupees for per per keyword to spend, right? Which is completely non like completely wrong, right, guys? So if you are spending, if you are, see, I'm going to show you a small calculation. Let's say if I think my conversion ratio is more than 10%, okay? Let's say it's 10%. So, at least, let's say my conversion ratio is 10%, okay? 10%. And 10% means that 1 divided by 10 is 10%. That means that I need at least 10 clicks per keyword to get a sale. Okay, to get a sale. And let's say total keywords in my campaign is 100. That means if I give one keyword 10 clicks, okay, and in 100 keywords, that means like I'm going to give 10 clicks for a keyword to get me sale, at least 10 clicks, only then I'm going to optimize. That means that I at least need 1,000 clicks, okay, 1,000 clicks minimum. And let's say your cost per click, okay, cost per click per click is 2.5 rupees. Okay, 2.5 rupees. That means that this campaign should have at least a budget of 2.5, that is 2001 to 2500 rupees. Okay, so this is how you have to actually put up a campaign budget. Okay, let's say if my conversion ratio is not 10%, it is 20%. Okay, 20%, then I just require 5 clicks. Okay, 5 clicks. In this case I'm going to do 5, and then, okay, I'm not going to do it 5. I'm just going to give you another example. Okay, which is, okay, so let's say if it would have been, okay, okay, so let's say if it would have been 20%, then I would require, okay, because 5, I would require 5 clicks before I pause or do any optimization. Okay, that is there. और अभी आपको ये देखना है कि यू नो 20% होगा तो आपको एटलीस्ट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द केस. ओके, इन दिस केस you have to wait until 5 clicks to get a sale, right? तो आप कोई भी कीवर्ड को एटलीस्ट 5 क्लिक्स का चांस दोगे ताकि वो सेल लेके आए. सो अगर आप देखोगे, सो the total keyword in my campaign now is say 100 rupees, 100 keywords. Okay, now I'm going to give at least 5 clicks, it becomes 500 clicks. Okay, and let's say my cost per click is same 2.5 rupees. Now it is 500. So you can just do the calculation if you want. 5 into 500 into 2.5 is nothing but 1250, right? 1250. So this is a minimum budget that you should be keeping. Okay, if you are having a lot of keywords in one single campaign. Okay, this is a very very basic but very very powerful. Nobody is even talking about this, right? How to set a keyword budget. This is how you have to actually set the budgets for your campaigns. Okay, very very simple and straightforward. So this is one of the reasons, right? This is, I'm just going to highlight this. Okay, 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 okay. So maybe you are going out of the budget. That is number one problem. Okay, number two problem can be that you know the keywords. If you are going out of the budget, that means that a lot of times you keep, आपने बहुत सारा कीवर्ड डाला है लेकिन आपका बजट कम है. सो आपको ऐसे बजट कैलकुलेट करना है जैसे मैंने आपको भी सिखाया था. ओके, you have to calculate your budget like that for the product campaign. Second reason may be that you're not getting impressions because all because the keyword like the and like the second problem comes only when you think the campaign is not going out of budget. Okay, so the second reason can be the keyword you have written in sorry you have put in the campaign, right? In the campaign is the campaign has very very low search volume, right? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने फुटबॉल बेच रहे हो, राइट, और आपने डाला है फुटबॉल फॉर 2 years किड, और उसकी मतलब बहुत रेयर लोग ये कीवर्ड टाइप कर रहे हैं अमेजोन पे, then obviously you will not get any impressions on that keyword. So you have to check if your keywords don't have that kind of volume. Obviously you're not going to get any impressions, right? Because people are not searching for your product, guys. People are not searching. Now actually there is a third problem also that you have to check. The third problem can be, you know, indexation. Okay. I think this is very very important. I don't know how people miss it, but okay, this is the indexation. So indexation is nothing but if your keyword on Amazon is not connected to your listing. For example, अगर आप फुटबॉल बेच रहे हो and you are bidding on the term football for kids and you don't have kids in your entire listing anywhere, then Amazon is not going to show your product for that keyword. So once you check this one, the second level, then go and check if your if the keyword is even indexed. Okay, so once you diagnose all these three problems, definitely all the keywords in your single campaign will start getting you a lot of sales and impression. Okay, so these are the major three problems why you are not getting impressions on other keywords apart from 5 to 6 keywords. Okay, so these are the problems that you have to understand. And how to check indexation, I have made a video on that, so you can go and check the video, or you can just go above the link and type the word like just find just YouTube indexation Viral Jain and you will get the video, or you can just click on the above link and you will get the video. If you really like this if you really like this video, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you have any questions regarding this, अगर आपको कोई भी question है, you can comment below and let me know what kind of problems are you facing, and I will definitely comment and help you out with the process. I hope this is clear and it will help you a lot. If you want, I'm going to share this file also so that you guys can actually check. Okay, so enable link sharing. I'm going to give you the access, so this file you can actually check through the description below. Okay, अभी के लिए इतना ही, मिलता हूँ आपको अगले वीडियो में. Until then, keep selling and keep crushing. See you.